Hello, my name is Celeste, and for my project I chose to discuss multimode systems. A multimode system is essentially a PV system that can operate in either interactive mode or standalone mode and uses battery storage. The key component in a multimode system is the inverter. The inverter draws DC power from the battery bank to feed system loads. And the array acts as a charging source to the battery bank rather than the power source for the system loads. Also, the inverter is programmed to feed electrical loads from the battery bank and the PV array during peak hours when the utility is charging the upper tier prices. Once those hours drop off peak time, then essentially the inverter switches back. PV system continues to charge the battery bank, and any excess power from that gets sent back to the grid. Under normal circumstances, the multi-mode system operates in interactive mode. AC power is drawn from the grid, feeds system loads, and the, again, excess power from the PV array is sent back to the grid. During the off chance that the grid does go down, the inverter senses it, disconnects from the grid, and then uses the battery bank to supply the sub panel, which is connected to your system critical loads, connected to your critical loads to continue to feed them power. Computer, a refrigerator, water pumps, whatever they may be, they will continue to have that power from the battery bank. And at this point, your system is operating in standalone mode. Once the grid comes back online, the inverter will sense this, reconnect, and then switch to interactive mode, and the whole cycle starts again. PV array takes the energy, stores it in the battery bank, and any excess power is fed back to the utility, and the multimode inverter takes AC power from utility and feeds it to the loads. I hope this explains why I think it's a little bit better to have a multi-mode system. The unfortunate side of it is expensive. One, because you have to batteries, and then you also have to have a system that is big enough to supply those critical loads. Thank you.